I mixed beetroot with rice, restaurant secret. Let's start the recipe with 2 beets. And we'll cut them into slices. And we'll transfer them to a bowl. Now, let's add half a cup of rice. And transfer everything to a pot. Next, we'll add enough water to cover the recipe. And then, we'll add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And a teaspoon of nutmeg. And we will mix the ingredients in the pan very well. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Now, let's cover it to cook for 15 minutes. After that, we will remove the ingredients from the pan and insert in a blender. Tell me if you have any recipes with beetroot, I'd love to know. Now, let's cover him up so he can turn it on, and we're gonna leave it on until everything's shredded into this consistency. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Claren Martinez from Florida. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, we will place a sieve in a container and we will sift the crushed mixture. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure that as soon as you try it, it will become routine in your home as well. After that, we will take the mixture back to the blender. And let's add a cup of sugar. And again, we will turn on the blender to mix everything until they reach this consistency. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. After that, we will transfer the mixture to a bowl. And we add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. And then we'll squeeze a lime to add the juice from it into the mixture. Is a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make in your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. And mix the recipe a little. And we'll separate for later. Now, let's insert ice into a glass. My friends always ask me to teach how to do, so amazing that the result is. And we will insert the recipe into the glass with ice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.